What's up guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to be looking at some inspirational websites for web designers, developers, UI UX designers. So we are going to look at some of those websites where you can go to get inspired whenever you feel like you are blocked, or whenever you just want to see some beautiful things. So personally, I enjoy some wonderful designs, and sometimes just looking at a design can inspire me to kind of build that application, create that website, or just kind of do that thing. So we're going to be looking at some of my favorite websites where I always go to whenever I need some inspirational boost. So the first we have here is dribble.com, which is kind of very popular. So it's a website where people come and share their different designs. So whatever you have worked on, be it an animation, a branding, illustration, mobile, print, product design, typography, or even a web design, and much more. So you can come here and kind of see what people are working on, see some wonderful things that people are building. Just check out this wonderful design here, a responsive kind of shoe presentation. I kind of like it already. So you can see different things, like, so it's wonderful. Just illustration. Look at this wonderful image that was created by somebody. You can already see 12,000 views and 123 likes. So it's kind of wonderful, and people who like good design always come to this website to either publish their work or really see other things they can be inspired by. So just looking at this wonderful app, yeah, I already feel like coding it. I feel like already sharing this. So as you can see, it's kind of wonderful. Look at this website design, kind of cool. Look at the colors, are real nice, real bright, and I like it already. So you can kind of come here and get inspired by some of wonderful things that people have developed. So this website really has a whole listing of different things from different categories. So I really enjoy it. I usually come and see very beautiful things, and I really get inspired by many people in what they are doing. Moving on to the next website, we have Behance. Behance is equally like Dribble, a platform where you can come and share your wonderful work. You can share your projects, or simple images, or prototypes, and many other things. So you can see some kind of wonderful designs people have been working on, or the wonderful things people are designing. Check out this wonderful image and how the colors are being used. Check out this mobile design and kind of see really some wonderful images. So I definitely spend a lot of time here kind of exploring and kind of seeing all the beautiful things and the beautiful crafts people are really coming up with. So it's wonderful, and I always get inspired by this. So definitely I recommend Behance. It has wonderful designs, and you should definitely check it out. Whenever you use a creator's work, make sure you credit them and definitely put links that refer back to his work. So moving on to the next as well, we have Deviantarts.com. So Deviantart.com goes a step further from just presenting different web flows to even showing some wonderful images. So you have different categories: digital art, fan art, photography, fantasy, anime and manga, resources, and much more. So you can get basically wonderful images here. So this is more of an image oriented platform, but it's not just a platform where you come and see images. You can as well sell your digital art here. You can sell your work here. So this is just the topic section where you can see the different topics. As you can see, it's full of category and full of wonderful images. So I might not get the time to really go through all of this, but definitely you can find a lot of things here. As you can see, you can get a wallpaper, tutorials, and see many other things. So definitely, if you have some wonderful piece or art you like to share with the world, make sure you use Deviantart, and you can as well monetize it from there. So moving on to the next website. So somebody thought it wise that art or digital art was something that merited an awards ceremony. So they created a website exactly for that. So AWWWARDS Awards with 3 W's is a platform where they award you get nominated. Whenever you create an art, you can get nominated and win an award for that. So you can come here and see the best, maybe the best website, the best app design, or anything that has to do with the digital space. You can see it here and you have an award for that. So if you come to the sidebar, you can see the nominees, the collections, the winners, and so on and so forth. So it's a wonderful website where you get to be a little bit competitive with the design and kind of win prizes for the best design. So I really like it. I get to see some wonderful animations and wonderful designs here. You can really see really how people are really pushing the bar ahead in terms of design. So people really create some amazing things. You'll be surprised to see some of the websites that exist on here. So definitely check it out if you want to get inspired. So moving on to the next, we have Pinterest. So Pinterest is just a very popular website where you get to really see all sorts of images. So people definitely do what? Pin their interest. So that's what they do here. So whenever you see something that interests you, you can come and pin it here for reference later, and also to equally encourage people. As you can see, people pin videos, people pin images, and so on and so forth. So definitely you can get inspired here by so many things, not just on web designs or application designs, but equally you can find a lot of posters, a lot of animations, a lot of videos that you can get inspired by. So people put a lot of their interest here, and you can get inspired through that. So definitely it's a wonderful website with a lot of content. You should definitely check it out if you want to get inspired with one thing or the other. All you have to do there is type into the search bar websites or webflow or whatever keyword you feel like the design you're looking for might have. So definitely check out Pinterest. So moving on to the next, we have Uplabs. So we have Uplabs. So Uplabs is more geared towards Android applications, but not just Android applications, illustrations, UI kits, icons, mockups, and many other things. So you can see all of the designs are on here. So it's wonderful. You can download them, you can use them, you can pay for them, and so on and so forth. You can as well upload your own art and sell it and get monetized for that. So it's definitely one thing you want to be checking out. It's a wonderful platform. You can already see the thousands and millions of designs for applications that are on here. It's wonderful, it's amazing. So whenever you have an idea of an application, you can come straight here and maybe find a mockup from which you can build that application from, or you can just find a design and share it with your friends or whatever developer who develop it for you. So definitely I like Uplabs very much. Whenever I want to design an application for Android or even iOS, I always come here and check out the different designs that are there and use it to be to make mine as well. So definitely you should check this out, uplabs.com. Moving on to the next, we have CSS Design Awards. So basically, if you're a front-end developer like me, you like a lot of CSS in your websites, and so you can come here and kind of see how people are playing around with CSS, what they do, and really how they push the limits of CSS. People create amazing things with CSS nowadays, so it's definitely very inspiring to see what people have to do and how people use CSS. So I definitely recommend this if you are trying to design your website or if you really want to be inspired by some creativity. So CSS Design Awards is a wonderful place for that. Equally as well, you can submit your website design or your mockups and win, and really take a chance to win an award for that. So definitely you should check out this one. So moving on to the last one, siteinspire.com. Equally in the same light, it's a website where you can see different designs for web apps, mobile apps, and so on and so forth. So you definitely get inspired by what you see. So all of these websites are very amazing websites. Whenever you feel like you're lacking the inspirational boost, you should definitely come on here, check out what people are already doing, really have a look around. You can play with the images, you can share the images, but always make sure you credit the author, and you can really have the inspirational boost that will help you on your next project. So people are working on amazing things. Equally, if you feel inspired by that, you can share as well their work and share it with people. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.